In a quiet monastery, a monk handed his student a dusty mirror. "Clean it," he instructed. The student wiped it once, but the reflection remained murky. "Still not clear," the monk said. Frustrated, the student wiped again, but it was still cloudy. "How many times must I clean it?" he asked, exasperated. The monk calmly replied, "Until you stop cleaning it in anger." Taking a deep breath, the student gently cleaned the mirror, and finally, it shone brightly. The monk smiled and said, "See, the mirror was never the problem. It was the hand that trembled." This story reminds us that when the mind is calm, everything becomes clear, even life itself. Embrace tranquility and watch the world transform.